public views on the proposed office became the subject of the suit in the ELRC case. We have closely analyzed the newly created office of CAS. The office falls somewhere between two constitutional or state offices, that of the Cabinet Secretary CS and that of the Principal Secretary PS. Those two officers undergo vetting and approval by Parliament, but the CASs have been appointed and sworn into office without parliamentary approval. According to the opinion of the Speaker of the National Assembly, there was no statutory or legal framework for Parliament to vet the new 50 CASs under the Public Appointments Parliamentary Approval Act 2011. We are aware that not every holder of high or state office undergoes parliamentary approval. But the problem here is that the CASs are, for all purposes, assistant cabinet secretaries reporting directly to the CS. The PS is relegated to the position where he reports to the CAS and the CS. Doubt is completely removed by their job description in Gazette Notice number 12432 of 12 October 2022 and duties specified therein, and the fact the CAS will be in a higher job group, CSG3, than the PS. The Gazette Notice gave particulars of the office as follows: duties and responsibility. A Chief Administrative Secretary will be responsible to the Cabinet Secretary in the performance of his or her duties. Specific duties and responsibilities shall include: A, responding to issues/questions touching on the portfolio assigned to the office. B, providing liaison with the National Assembly and Senate. Providing liaison with county governments on matters of concurrent mandate. Providing interministerial sectoral coordination. Representing the Cabinet Secretary at any meeting as instructed by the Cabinet Secretary. And D, executing any other duties and responsibilities specifically assigned to the office by the Cabinet Secretary in furtherance of the interest of the ministry. Terms of service. A Chief Administrative Secretary will serve on contract as determined by the appointing authority. B, this position is graded at CSG3 in the public service. The remuneration and benefits commensurate to this level will be applicable, unquote. We also find that whereas His Excellency the President can establish a state office within the ranks of the public service, it requires approval by the National Assembly. Such approval may be achieved